Hello kids! Have you ever seen a helicopter flying in the sky? The sound it makes? It's amazing. Helicopters are amazing flying machines that goes up, down and hover at one spot. Their special sleek design and powerful build makes them special in the world of flying. So let's have a closer look by creating your own helicopter. Are you excited? So let's get started. The first step is that you take all the cutouts out from the template sheet. Make sure when you pull out the cutout, do not tear it. Take it one by one. Once done, just keep the book aside. Now select all your parts at one place. Right? So these are the wheels. We have 3 wheels that will be attached to the bottom of the helicopter body. What you have to do is you have to fold this from the line given to you. Fold across this and then also make sure to fold along the lines that is already given to you, the crease. This side and this side. We have to apply the glue in the inside. Same you have to do for the other 2 wheels. Right? So, take a glue. After applying the glue, press it for a few seconds so that it stays like that. Right? The second one is also done. Now, the third wheel. And then hold it for a few seconds. And the third wheel is also ready. Why we have kept these flaps like this? Obviously because we have to paste it at the bottom. So keep this aside. Our wheel part is done. Right? Now what you will do is, you will take this part and fold it as per the crease already given to you. Fold this like this, the other part also like this, and then apply glue in the middle portion and paste it one over the other. Exactly equal, right? Just the middle portion. Apply glue here. After applying the glue, hold it for a few seconds and then take out these flaps like this and fold across the crease from the lower portion and then the upper portion. Once done, you will get that's done. Okay, now keep this aside also. So the next step is to take these rotor wheels that helps the helicopter to move along the wind or the air. So you have to apply the glue here and then paste the other blade across each other like this. Right? So then apply the glue here. And paste it diagonally like this, that you can have a cross. Right? So paste it and hold it for a few seconds so that it stays in the same direction. And it's done. Keep this aside also. So now we'll be preparing the back portion of the helicopter. This cutout will be folded along the crease that has already been given to you. Make a good fold. And then also make sure that you fold these outside like this along the crease that is already given. Fold it for a few seconds and it's done. Take a glue and apply it here so that you get something like this. This will be the part, right? Okay. We have to keep this just like that. This part is also done. So let's create the main body. So let's take this part and make the body. What you have to do is roll it like this and make this fold along the crease given to you. The other one is this, then this. Do it the other side also. Find that crease. Here we have only this crease. Now in this part, fold it inside. Inside. Done? Now take this part and get it a bit rolled so that you can paste it like this. Take a glue and apply it here, right? Also here and here, wherever you have already put a fold. Make sure you do it smoothly so that you do not tear the cutout, right? Hold it for a few seconds. You can dab it if you want, or with the help of a pencil, the back side, you can press it so that it doesn't come off, right? Now you can apply the glue here also, because we have to make sure we are covering this part. So apply the glue here, take this part and paste it over like this. You have to give it a good fold from here. Your fingers should get it inside like this. Similarly from the other side. Ta-da! It's done. Now what we have to do is, we took this part, take a glue, and apply it the back side. Press it from both sides. Hold it for a few seconds. Remove the extra glue so that you have a clean back portion. And it should look tight. This is done. You will get something like this. Now what we have to do is, we have to take this and apply the glue here and paste it over here. You will get something like this. For the rotor blades, we need this. This was created in order to have our rotor blades set over it like this. So apply the glue on these flaps. For pasting it, since this is not too strong, you have to give a support. And just paste it. Let it dry so that we can paste the rotor blades. Till then, we'll be pasting the wheels. So it's shown that you will be having one wheel up in the front of the bottom area and two at the back side. Okay? So apply the glue, you know the drill, on the flaps. So this will be in the front here, the first wheel. Hold it for a few seconds, like this. Right side, the other one on the left side. Again, take a glue, apply it on the flap and paste it on the left side. This wheel and this wheel will be in the same line, just opposite direction. We need a good balance, right? We want our helicopter to fly in a good balance. Now we can paste our rotor blades. Since this is already, apply the glue only in the middle and just paste it over the upper flaps. This will go like this, but that's okay. You can give it support by holding it like this and pasting it. This is very gentle, so make sure you just do not press it too tight. Have your fingers very soft and then dab it very, very, very softly. Hold it for a few seconds. Let the glue dry your rotor blades. Your helicopter is now ready. You can have fun by moving it from one side to other. You can move it like this, have a quick fun, call your friend and create one more helicopter and have a helicopter fight, or move it up or down, up or down. There you go. Oops, it's okay, we can make it stand again like this. You have your own helicopter. Go and play. Thank you.